If you've permanently deleted important Yahoo emails, don't panic just yet. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to try to recover permanently deleted Yahoo mails using Yahoo's official restore request process. This is the method you want to use when messages are missing from your inbox, gone from the trash, or accidentally removed, and you need to see if Yahoo can bring them back. Before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to the Yahoo Help page for recovering lost or deleted emails. You can do this by searching for Yahoo Recover Lost or Deleted Emails, or by going directly to the official Yahoo support page. This is important because you want to use Yahoo's own recovery tool, not a third-party website that could put your account at risk. Once the page loads, look for the option that says Send a Restore Request. This is the key step in the process. Yahoo uses this form to review your request and determine whether the deleted emails can still be restored. Click that button to continue. Now you'll see a form that asks for a few details about what happened. In the issue description, be as clear and accurate as possible. For example, you might type something like mail deleted from trash or emails removed accidentally from my inbox. The more specific you are, the better. Then enter the time range when the emails were deleted. This helps Yahoo narrow down the recovery window and check whether the messages still exist on their servers. Next, enter your Yahoo ID carefully. Make sure you use the exact account that contains the missing emails. If you have multiple Yahoo accounts, double check that you are filling out the request for the correct one. After that, add a working contact email address. This is the email Yahoo will use to reach you with an update about your restore request, so make sure it is active and accessible. Before submitting, take one more look at everything. Check the email address, the Yahoo ID, the description of the issue, and the date range. If anything is incorrect, fix it now so your request has the best chance of being reviewed properly. When you're ready, submit the form and send a restore request. After you submit it, the next step is patience. Yahoo says it can take up to 24 hours to review the request and potentially restore your emails. In some cases, the messages may come back sooner, and in other cases, Yahoo may not be able to recover everything. That's why it's important to act as quickly as possible after deleting the emails, since recovery chances are usually better sooner rather than later. While you wait, keep an eye on the contact email address you entered. Yahoo will usually send an update there once the request has been reviewed. If the recovery is successful, your emails should reappear in your Yahoo Mail account after the restore process completes. If not, you may need to check whether the messages were permanently removed beyond the recovery window. And that's it. You've now learned how to request recovery for permanently deleted Yahoo mails using Yahoo's official restore page. This is the safest and most direct method to try when important messages go missing. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.